Hi everyone, welcome back again. This is the final part of the discussion. Here I will talk about higher secondary schools which are from class 6 to 12. It's good to inform that most of the H.S schools are government. You no need to pay fees. Here is the list of best higher secondary school in our state. In these three discussions, I am especially talking about science stream, but it's relevant to other stream too. I will keep the Excel sheet where I have analyzed the data of top 10 position holders over the last 5 years. I already said that come out from your hometown, make a big dream, and work very hard to achieve them. Make sure that you share this video with your friends so that they can choose best one. Wish you all the very best for your next journey.